In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a burnt paper text effect in Photoshop. Let's begin. First, go to File and choose New to create a new document. I'll name it Burnt Paper Text Effect. Use the document settings shown in the video. Then click Create. Next, add a solid color layer. Choose a dark gray color for the solid color. And click OK. Now select the Text tool and type your text. This is the font and font style I'm using for this tutorial. It's one of the default fonts that comes with Photoshop. Resize the text and place it at the center of the canvas just like shown. Right-click the text layer and convert it into a smart object. Then press Ctrl and J to duplicate the text layer. Hide the duplicate text layer for now. Now drag and drop Burnt Paper Image 1 onto the canvas. Resize. And position it as shown. Place the Burnt Paper Image 1 layer above the original text layer. Right-click on the Burnt Paper Image 1 thumbnail and choose Select Pixels. With the selection active, select the original text layer and click the Layer Mask button. This makes the text visible only inside the burnt paper shape. Next, right-click on Burnt Paper Image 1 and choose Create Clipping Mask to clip it to the text layer below. Now drag and drop Burnt Paper Image 2 onto the canvas. Resize and place it as shown. While placing, press Ctrl and T to activate Free Transform. Then right-click and choose Flip Horizontal for a more realistic look. Right-click again, choose Warp, and adjust the shape as shown in the video. Unhide the duplicate text layer. Drag Burnt Paper Image 2 layer above the duplicate text layer. Right-click on the Burnt Paper Image 2 thumbnail and choose Select Pixels. Select the duplicate text layer. Now with the selection active, click the Layer Mask button to make the text visible only inside Burnt Paper Image 2. Then right-click on Burnt Paper Image 2 layer and choose Create Clipping Mask. Now hold Ctrl and select the top 4 layers and press Ctrl and G to group them. Rename the group as Burnt Text. Double-click the group to open its Layer Style menu. Enable Drop Shadow. And apply the settings shown in the video. Then click OK. Add a photo filter adjustment layer above the group. Click the photo filter color thumbnail and set the color to yellow. And click OK. Click the Clipping Mask button to clip it to the burnt text group. Then reduce the photo filter layer's opacity to 50%. Now press Ctrl, Shift, Alt and E to create a merged copy of all visible layers. Convert this merged layer into a smart object. Go to Filter and choose Camera Raw Filter. Now apply the following settings. Set exposure to -0.40, contrast to 31, highlights -60, shadows -10, blacks -17, vibrance 21, texture 100, clarity 40, vignette -16, grain 60. Noise reduction 100. Also under optics, set vignette to -70. Then click OK. That's it! You've successfully created a burnt paper text effect in Photoshop. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.